Hey guys, in today's video, I'm about to show you on creating an online survey to see if the price of my product is fair in the market. Consider me as a product manager of a product in a software company. Now, I'm noticing some low sales as per my research team. It's mainly due to overpricing. However, the price is at the best, but to confirm this, I want to take a survey from my customers. To create this survey, I'm using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. In this video, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Surveys or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey. So let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the most popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-on, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one to ask our users what they think about current product pricing. After entering the question, let's choose a type of question on the right-hand side. There are about 15 types of questions, which we could select based on our question's nature. Currently, I'm taking the multiple choice type question here based on the nature of my question. I'm also marking the question as required so that the question cannot be skipped. You can skip this step if you think that an answer to your question is not required. Then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab, or click on the Duplicate button at the top of the Questions page to duplicate the same type of question. In the second question, I want to check how a customer decides at what price they decide a product to be costly. Let's select this as a number type question so that customer could only mention an amount. Click on Save Question to save the question. On to the next question by clicking on Create New Page. Here, I'm willing to ask which other brands they consider while comparing the price of products. I'm selecting this as a paragraph type question so that our users can write a brief answer. Then, Save Question. Now the final one. I want to check what the customers think about our current pricing on a product. I'm making this a multiple choice type question. Alright, all the questions are saved. I want to see who's responding so that I could better understand and avoid any errors in my data. For that, I am setting up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, select the field type as a small open answer, and label it as Full Name. Select the Use For section and select Name there. Let's add another contact field to take email address. Select the field type as Email and label it as Email. Select the Use For section and set Email there. Now, click on the Save Contact Field button. Now that our question for the survey is set and the contact field is configured, let's set our final result page for the survey to thank our customers for taking the survey. Let's do a quick preview of our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the price sensitivity survey, and it works just right. And that's all for this video. Comment down below to share what you are using the QSM for. Stay tuned for new topics on using QSM plugin. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.